trending, welcome back to ZK Trend. Ayan na nga mga kabablis at inilabas na nga ng Preview PH ang kanilang April magazine cover. Grabe nga dito ang ating Belinda at pak na pak nga ang aurahan at ganda. Ayon nga dito sa post ng Preview PH, Belle Mariana doesn't chase the spotlight, she brings the sun with her. Bright, calm, and endlessly warm, Belle is stepping into this new season not as someone waiting to be seen, but as someone who already knows her light. From childhood performances to her first lead role in He's Into Her, she's learned that growth means facing fears and tackling new challenges. Sobrang saya nga ang taga-suporta ni Belle Mariano sa larawan na ito na inilabas nga ng preview dahil new era ito ni Belle Mariano. At ayon pa dito sa komento ng ilang bula sa X, blooming into her boldest era yet, Belle Mariano graces that April 2025 cover of the preview with elegance, edge, and unstoppable star power. Ayon pa dito, Belle Mariano is high up, almost one with the clouds, and any person on the ground would have to scream to see her now towering present.